Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Python tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can print odd number in Python using while loop. So what are odd number? Odd number cannot be divided by 2. So like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 or 11, you cannot divide those number by 2. So those are called odd number, and I'm going to show you how you can print odd number from 1 to 100. So here let me just declare a variable. Let's say over here I equal to on, and after that we're going to declare while loop. So we'll say over here while, then we'll say I smaller than or equal to 100. Then we need to increase the value of I. So we'll say here I equal to I plus 1. And after that, we need to give a if condition to check the value of I is odd number or not. So in order to do that, we need to keep over here if condition, and we say over here if I more 2, then we'll say over here this sign not equal. Now this sign is called not equal to 0. So we are checking if the value of I cannot be divided by 2, then we'll just print something. So we'll say over here print, and I forgot to give clone over here and here. So in this print, we'll print the value of I. So we'll say over here print I, and here you can see there's an error over here. So the thing is, we need to keep this I equal to I plus on with the if condition. Here you can see. So right now, let me just explain. So first of all, the value of I is on. So the value of I is on, and on is smaller than 100. So it will come over here and it will check this if condition, that if we cannot divide the value of I, which is on cannot be divided by 2, then print that value. So it will print on. Then it will increase the value of I by 1. So on plus on will become 2. It will check the condition, then it will come over here to the if condition. And 2 can be divided by 2. So this condition will become false. So it will not print 2. Then the value of I will become 2 plus on, which will be 3. Then it will check the while loop condition. Then it will come over here to the if condition. And here you can see 3 cannot be divided by 2. So not equal 0. So then it will print 3. So we have given a condition that if the value of I cannot be divided by 2, this is a not equal sign, cannot be divided by 2, only then we'll print that certain number. So 3 cannot be divided by 2. Then 4 can divide by 2, so it will not print 4. But you cannot divide 5 by 2, so it will print 5 over here. So this is how it will go on up until 100. So right now, if we just run it, and there you can see on 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, it printed all the odd number. So this is how you can print odd number in Python using while loop. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any suggestion or any question, just let me know in the comment section, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.